All right, one of the parts of a car that's easy to overlook is the brake fluid. I think part of the reason is if you study brake fluid, they'll say, well, change every couple of years or something like that. But most people know that's really not true because people will have the same car for years and years and the brake fluid's fine. I do have a video on my channel about how to flush the brake fluid and put in new fluid on this channel. It's a very time-consuming process. What this is a brake fluid tester. So I bought this off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It takes one AAA battery, which did not come with it. I put that battery right here in the battery slot. So then all you do is you take the cap off to expose those two probes, and you hold the end in to turn it on, and we can see that there's a green light there. We take off our brake fluid reservoir cap, and then we put the prongs in there. Okay, so it is saying that we need to change our brake fluid. It says that it has greater than 4% moisture content. Let's see. Now it's saying less than 2. So my car is over 6 years old. It's never had new brakes, but I have occasionally taken a little bit out and putting some new in. And I did put some new fluid in, I believe it was last year, but it's still saying that I have more than 2%. It's okay if it has less than 2%. So it's 0% moisture, less than 1, less than 2. But when you get up to less than 3 and greater than 4, you know that you need to be changing it. So I'm a little confused. It's telling me I'm okay part of the time. So I'm probably somewhere between 1.5% and 3%. So I'm kind of on the edge. But that's at least lets you know about where you're at and when to be thinking about doing something. So I just wanted to share that. It was very inexpensive. I can't remember the price, but I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in getting something like that. I think these kind of things pay for themselves if they keep you from doing one thing that you would have done that would have wasted money. So good to have things like brake fluid testers and coolant testers, things of that nature. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you.